I'm a great fan of sesame seeds, especially during winter. Adds on amazing benefits like keeping our skin and hair healthy and also boosting immunity. Along with it, I've used cashew to make this burfi today. Cashew is brain boosting and has healthy fats, which is necessary for growing children. I have pulsed cashew here. Then I have taken sesame seeds and just roasted it, dry roasted it. I'm adding grated jaggery here. You can use our jaggery powders. And then I've added cashew powder here. Amazing it looks with ghee. It tasted more amazing. So added more ghee as much as you want. Give it a shape that you like. You can even make it as a laddu. And here our cashew burfis are ready. My friend said this is one of the best recipes that I have made till date. So this dessert is super tasty, super healthy. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked this one.